Hi everyone, welcome back to Liberty Park Music. Today we'll be learning a song called Memories by Maroon 5. As usual, if you have any questions, you can just reach out to us and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, let's jump right in. So let's begin by checking out the original way of playing the song, so with the bar chords. So here are the chords that we'll need first. So we'll need a B major, an F sharp major, a G sharp minor, a D sharp minor, and an E major. Now let's check out the strumming pattern, but before we go into that, you have to take note that the second chord of each bar always comes on the 2-and count instead of the 3 count. So for example, the first bar goes B major to F sharp major. So that F sharp chord, that second chord, comes on the 2-and count. So for example, it sounds like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it should not be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's playing on the 3. It should come on the 2 and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now the second thing to take note is we'll be applying a choke technique on the left hand. So choking meaning I'm going to strum and I'm going to let go of the pressure on the strings. So this will cause a pop kind of sensation. So the choke will happen on the 2 and the 4 count, so we accentuate those beats. So here is the strumming pattern. It's just down strums all the way. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's pretty simple. Now for each down on the first chord, I'm going to do something like 6th string, 4th string, and then the 2, I'm going to play basically from the 4th string to the 1st string and do the choke. 1 and 2. And for the and count with the second chord, I'm going to play the whole chord. And on the 4, I'm going to play the higher strings as well to give it more of a snap. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Alright, so let's try a quick play along section. You can pause the video if you need some time to get your hands around the chords. But once you've got those chords down, let's try a play along section at a slower pace. So let's go at this speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 4 and. One last time. Now let's check out a simplified version of the song. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out the full video lesson, please visit libertyparkmusic.com, where we have online guitar courses available for streaming 24/7. Our courses are for beginners all the way to advanced players, and we have courses like Intro to Guitar, Jazz Guitar, and we have song lessons as well so you can learn your favorite songs. So if you want to try out Liberty Park Music for free for 30 days, sign up with us today.